If you continue to drive older vehicles, plastics tend to start to crack, get brittle, heat cycling, being in the sun. You can see here that my license plate light is breaking or cracking on both sides. I've looked online to find an appropriate replacement, and if you go on Amazon, they're selling LED versions, but they're $25 plus, and I heard the LEDs are too bright anyway. So I found a wrecked F-150 and I pulled them off. You can see here that on the back they have little clips that you need to push in to pull it off, and then the light assembly screws in. Let's just replace this quickly. This is a little 2-minute instructional video. First one is changed, and that looks a lot better than that broken item. All done, and it looks great. Maintain your vehicle with little to no cost.